In this video, we're going to explore how to craft a delightful Valentine's Day eCard using Canva and Canva Magic Write. To start off, add a text box to your Valentine's Day design. Next, select Magic Write within Canva. You can input a prompt into Magic Write, like asking it to create a 2-paragraph rhyming poem for your partner Jane to celebrate Valentine's Day. Think about personal touches, such as mentioning your love for Aussie beach summers and your dog Benji. Click on Generate and watch as your charming message comes to life on your Valentine's Day design. Now that your design is ready, you can send this eCard through the CreatEcards app in Canva. Simply click on Apps, search for CreatEcards, click the icon, and follow the straightforward instructions. When you're on the CreatEcards website, you have the option to select a Greetings gift eCard. It can be shared via a share link, WhatsApp, and several other methods. Once sent, your partner will receive this stunning eCard, and you can even include call-to-action buttons like dinner directions to surprise your loved one. So why wait? Start creating at CreatEcards.io.